Hey guys, welcome back to Learn to Trade YouTube channel. Gold, guys. Today I will talk about gold right before the US, actually before the US inflation data release, before the consumer price index and before the core CPI will indicators will be published. So gold right now technically it maintains a bullish bias. So let's talk about gold. But before we'll talk about the yellow metal. It's important that trading is risky and that the past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Support, if you have questions, you can send an email to support. If you have questions about services, about subscription, about brokerage companies, any other questions. And if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us for 40 pounds per month, you can use this link from here, or you can access the link posted right below this video. And don't forget, guys, that if you want to join the VIP groups, you can join actually the VIP groups only after purchasing a subscription. Okay, so gold, you can see here that technically, as long as it stays above this uptrend line, in my opinion, the bias remains bullish. Okay, in the short term. Right now, yeah, it has failed to, after this amazing rally, retreat, a new upside movement, sell-off. It has retested the uptrend line here, and right now it has failed to stabilize above 1786, this key level, former high historical level. So in the short term, guys, as I've said, as long as it stays above this uptrend line, the bias remains bullish. And 1786 as static resistance, as upside obstacle. Right now it has escaped from this pattern, from this flag, and here, guys, only tests, retests, and accumulation, consolidation, false breakdowns, followed by very breakout, followed by a new higher high here. If it jumps, closes, and stabilizes above 1788, may signal potential further growth, a new rally, a new upside movement, a new swing higher. Okay, and this is my opinion here on the technically, okay, in the short term. But and of course, dropping here, taking out the uptrend line and making new lower lows, maybe could signal. We have also 1781 as static support. So taking out these support levels, the uptrend line and this static support, may signal a potential sell-off. But right now the upside pressure is still high, and we have that level 1786 as immediate obstacle resistance, and we have today's high of 1788 as critical, maybe resistance in the short term, because making a new higher high may signal potential further growth or something. Okay, but as you already know, later the US is to release its inflation data. So the consumer price index month over month, 0.3% growth expected. Okay, in November, consumer price index year over year 7.3% versus 7.7% in the previous reporting period. Core CPI 0.3% growth expected in the last month in November. So and if, in my opinion, if the US will report higher inflation could lift maybe the US dollar in the short term. Okay, could boost the US dollar and could force the yellow metal to drop. Okay, and maybe lower inflation, guys. Lower inflation reported by the US in November could lift the yellow metal, could boost the yellow metal, because maybe the US dollar will depreciate versus rivals, will lose more ground versus his rivals. So this is my opinion, and maybe in line with expectations, data could still bring maybe something like a potential rally here in gold. But don't forget that anything could happen. The US data, actually the consumer price index, core CPI, represent high impact, are seen as high impact events, and anything could happen. Most likely the price of gold could register sharp movements in both directions in the short term. So that's why maybe personally I'll wait for the US data before I will take action. Okay, So high volatility, maybe sharp movements in both directions, and that's why maybe I'll wait for a new opportunity, a potential long opportunity, as long as it stays above these support levels, or maybe for a short opportunity, maybe after taking out this level, test, retest, or something. Okay, thank you guys. So please visit our website, Learn to Trade, for more educational materials. Instagram, follow us. YouTube, please subscribe. Dash to Trade, if you want to join the pre-sale, please read the white paper, please visit the website. You'll have all the details, yeah, in dash to trade.com website. Learn to Trade Forex Signals if you want to become a VIP member. Bye bye.